Hey everyone, so update 2020.12.5 has finally dropped in Australia, and this is the changelog. And actually the most interesting thing to me right now is the driving visualization improvements. So according to the update log here, it says that we're going to get full self-driving visualization preview. So that means we can see stoplights, stop signs, and also select road markings. I'm very interested to see if this is actually going to work in Australia. The next thing here we have is the Dashcam Viewer, which I'm sure a lot of people already know about this, but basically you can view the dash cam footage straight in the car, so you don't need any of those roadie stuff anymore or pulling out the drive. You can just look at it straight in the car, which is excellent. Next we have the out of order supercharger stalls. So if you navigate to a supercharger and if it's out of order, it will show you on the map, which is pretty cool. So let's head into the controls autopilot and see if we can enable full self-driving visualization. And bam, there it is. It says it is not supported in this region, which sucks. Okay, so after that terrible disappointment, we're just going to check out the Dashcam Viewer. So at the top left corner, you'll see the Dashcam icon, and then to the right of that is the Sentry mode icon. So they've changed the Sentry mode icon. It looks kind of like a sun. If you turn it on, it's like a sun with a red dot. So let's turn that off. So to get to the Dashcam Viewer, you tap the Dashcam icon, and then there's Launch Viewer. This menu only shows up if you are in park. If you're driving, tapping this icon will just save the footage. So let's go to the viewer, and I think it loads the latest video. So I drove around the corner just then in track mode because I noticed that it actually shows track videos as well. So at the top there you have all Sentry mode, dash cam, and then you also have track. So because that was the last video I recorded, the track video plays first. But dash cam is like your regular driving footage. So if you just drive in the corner, this is kind of what you see. You see my garage, and then I'm just gonna skip forward a little bit, and that's me reversing, and then skip forward a bit more, and there's some driving footage that I just did. So yes, you can tap the corners to go to the left, the right, and then the rear. The top left one is the front, and obviously the rear camera has the best color. So that's that. Okay, next we have the Sentry mode clips. Those are over here on the Sentry tab, and now we have some clips. So this is just some clips that, you know, the Sentry mode captured when I was parked at a shopping center. So if we skip forward here, you can tap the timeline down here to skip forward. You can also skip backwards, but this is probably what triggered the event. Someone walked in front of the car. And what I've noticed is when you tap this, it seems to jump kind of randomly. It doesn't seem to go to exactly where you touch it. See, it went there and then it went backwards. So I'm not sure exactly what's happening here, but I think what's happening is the Sentry mode records in 1 minute clips, and it seems to just compile those 1 minute clips into like this 5 minute timeline. I think that's what's happening. But anyway, as you're viewing this, you can tap the corners there to look at the left, right, you know, front, rear, and so on. And I think that's about it for the Dashcam Viewer. So anyway, I hope this video was useful, and thanks for watching. So if we toggle this, nothing happens. It's not supported in the current region.